To import a list of payees from a CSV file, start by entering your payer record. Open the Payee section. From there select Import. Choose the menu choice, from CSV. Navigate to the folder that contains the file that you wish to import. Open that. Now this screen is broken into 3 sections. The bottom section is your data. Above that are headers for each row. The row above that is where we are going to map the data in each column to the specific fields that Magfiler will be importing. We're going to let the system know that the first row is a header record. In this file, the data in the first column is the tax ID or Social Security number. So we'll specify that in the drop-down. The next field we're going to map is the payee name. And then we're going to map where the address and city, state, and zip code are located. And then we're going to find the non-employee compensation field and map that. Then press Import. And your payees are imported as you had specified.